Subscribe my Techie Bro YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.
Hey guys, welcome to my Techie Pro YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can install VirtualBox on your Parrot operating system. So follow the steps. Open your browser, go to google.com and search download VirtualBox and hit enter. Come to the download section, click on Linux distributions, if you are using 32-bit then you can download this one, and if you are using 64-bit then download AMD 64. So I am using 64-bit, so I am going to download this one. Click on save. So now as you can see, my file is downloaded, so I am going to search for package installer. Click on GDAV package installer. Click on file, then open, then locate where you have downloaded your file. I'm just going to open it. Now simply click on install package. Now our VirtualBox is installing. It will take some time. As you can see, installation completed. Now we are going to search VirtualBox. So we have successfully installed VirtualBox. So this is how you can install VirtualBox on your Parrot operating system. If you have any problem, then you can just comment below and I will help you as much as I can. Thanks for watching and goodbye.